Welcome to Learn Commerce PU online classes. Don't forget to like our video and subscribe our YouTube channel for all the updates.
Hello students, good morning. Welcome to second PUC accountancy online classes. Today I am going to take up again guarantee of profit to a partner. I will take up fifth problem, problem number 5, page number 27 in question bank. Let me read the problem and in the meantime let us analyze and then we will solve the problem. Charan and Sharan share profits and losses in the ratio of 3:2. So 3 by 5 and 2 by 5, 3 plus 2, 5, denominator 5. So 3 by 5 and 2 by 5 is their ratio. They admit Sachin into their firm for 1/6 share in profits. Charan personally guaranteed that Sachin's share of profit after charging interest on capital at 10% per annum would not be less than rupees 15,000 in any year. The capital provided was as follows. Capital is given 1,25,000, Charan, then Sharan 1 lakh and Sachin 75,000. The profit for the year ending March 31st, 2016 amounted to rupees 75,000 before providing interest on capital. Show the profit and loss appropriation account if the new profit sharing ratio is 3:2:1. Otherwise also it will be 3:2:1 because for the new partner Sachin, 1/6 share is given. 1/6 share means 3:2:1 means 1 by 6. That is a first partner 3 by 6, 2 by 6 and then new partner 1 by 6. Automatically it is same. So no need of giving this a new ratio. Whatever it is given in the problem, it's well and good, no confusion. So now what we have to do is we have to, this is a bit different from the earlier problems. That is the reason I am solving it again. Here we can see that is interest on capital should be provided first. Net profit is given before providing interest on capital. It's very clear given the profit for the year ending March 31st, 2016 amounted to rupees 75,000 before providing interest on capital. So what we have to do is we have to take net profit first, then we have to charge interest on capital, we have to provide for interest on capital to the partners, then whatever remains that should be distributed among the partners, and the shortage in new partners capital account who gave the guarantee. Charan personally guaranteed that Sachin's share of profit. That means Charan alone gave the guarantee. Charan alone gave the guarantee. So what we have to do is the shortage in new partners capital account should be borne by Charan alone. So let us solve the problem. First, profit and loss appropriation account. Let us start. I'll solve here. Profit and loss appropriation account. Draw the columns. Profit and loss appropriation account. The ledger account, no doubt. Debit credit must be there. Cultivate the habit of writing it at the beginning itself. In each class, if you write in all the accounts, you will not forget to write in board exam. Board exam automatically you will write debit and credit, so that there is no need of any extra care to write this, because automatically you will write in board exam. Now column headings, particulars, amount in rupees. I told you have to write rupees, otherwise they will deduct 1 mark. If your paper fetches 100 then they will deduct 1 mark for not writing rupees. Particulars, amount in rupees. Yes. Now starting point, write that is a net profit. On the credit side, by balance brought down. Is it? No, it is not. Remember, students will do the mistake here. They will write by balance brought down. It is not. It is by profit and loss account. Net profit brought down by profit and loss account, because you will not carry forward the balance of profit and loss appropriation account for the next year. Remember, it gets opened with the net profit of profit and loss account. Profit and loss account. Profit and loss account, net profit brought down, or net profit. Just write net profit, that is enough. How much profit was earned by the firm? 75,000. It's very clearly given in the problem. So write it. Now what we have to do is, we have to provide for interest on capital, interest on partners' capital. How much interest should be provided? Interest on capital at 10% per annum. So it is an expense for the firm, to interest on capital account. Interest on capital account. Under that, for all the three partners, you should provide interest on capital. That is, interest on capital given is Charan 1,25,000. Charan, under that, Charan is equal to 1,25,000 into rate of interest on capital given in the problem is 10%. 10%. So it will be 12,500. Then the other partner, Sharan, his capital balance was 1 lakh. So Sharan, 1 lakh into 10%. So it will be 10,000. 10,000. And third partner, it will be Charan, Sharan, and the third one is admit Sachin. Sachin, his capital was, I think, 75,000, if I am not wrong. Yes, it is 75,000. Provide at 10% is equal to 7,500. 7,500. Write it in outer column. It will be 30,000. Very simple. 125, 75, 2 plus 1, 3. 3 lakh into 10%, 30,000. Answer is correct. So 30,000. Now, what you have to do is, you have to find out, after providing this interest on capital, it is clearly given. That is, the profit before charging interest on capital amounted to rupees 75,000, and we have to distribute it among the partners, and the guaranteed amount should not be less than 15,000. Now we have to distribute the remaining amount. Total, let us do working note here. Total profits is equal to 75,000. Now we have to provide interest on capital. So less interest on capital. Interest on capital, that is 30,000. Therefore, remaining amount how much? 45,000, correct? Yes, it is 45,000. This should be distributed among this rupees 45,000 should be distributed among Charan, Sharan, and Sachin in the ratio of 3:2:1. 3:2:1. Therefore, Charan's share will be is equal to how much? 45,000 into 3 by 6. So it will be 22,500. 22,500. Yes, it is. Therefore, Sharon's share is equal to 45,000 into 2 by 6 is equal to 15,000, and therefore Sachin's share, new partner, is equal to 45,000 into 1 by 6 is equal to how much? 7,500. So total will be 45,000. Yes, it is. So now what we have to do is we have to see how much amount Sachin will get actually. So here he is getting only 7,500. So the shortage of guaranteed amount was how much? 15,000. So how much shortage is there? 7,500 should be borne by, that is Charan alone, because only Charan gave guarantee to the new partner Sachin. So therefore shortage in Sachin's guaranteed amount is equal to 15,000 minus 7,500 is equal to rupees 7,500. This should be borne by who has to bear? Charan alone. Borne by Charan alone. This should be borne by Charan alone. Now let us solve here. Now what we have to do is we have to distribute the amount among the partners here. So to partners capital account. Let us write individually. That is Charan's capital account to Charan's capital account. Charan's capital account. How much? That is actual amount of share of Charan is 22,500. All right here 22,500 minus shortage in Sachin's share. How much? 7,500. Deduct this, you will have 15,000. That is the guaranteed amount. Shortage in Sachin's that is account should be borne by Charan alone, because the guarantee was given by Charan alone. So total amount of Sachin is 15,000 guaranteed amount. Actual amount payable to Sachin is 7,500 as per profit sharing ratio. So the shortage should be borne by Charan alone. So we have deducted from his account to Sharan's capital account, as it is no change because he didn't give any guarantee. Sharan's capital account, how much it is? See the calculation there, 15,000 he will get, straight away we will provide, we will not deduct anything here. And to Sachin's capital account, new partner's capital account, Sachin's capital account, Sachin's capital account. How much? That is 7,500 actual amount payable to Sachin. Add shortage given by Charan. How much it is? 7,500. This is paid by Sachin. So his total amount will become 15,000, which is the guaranteed amount. Let us close it. Write the total. 75,000. 75,000 each. That's all. Now count here. 45, 60, 75. It's correct. Right here, profit on appropriation, balancing figure. Profit on appropriation, balancing figure. Don't write appropriation account, write profit on appropriation. That's all. So this is how you have to solve a problem when there is a guarantee.